And it is time again for a little bit of the game development. We have a little dog here, but she only is showing us her behind, which is crazy pants. It's very rude. It's a very rude dog. No, she's a sweetheart. And we are going to do several projects at once. We have here our a 3D model that we got into the Unity engine and via the Blender file. There we go. And we do have a little bit of an issue there inside of this mesh. How do you use this even? Inside of this mesh, deep inside, there is a teeth. There's teeth. And that interferes a little bit with the with how this one looks there. Good. We have a test character controller, and it's super jank if you use the keyboard, but if you use the fantastic controller, it's kind of smooth. We do have the really bad animations from the Mixamo website, and we're going to slowly replace them all, hopefully. But yeah, you can see the teeth glitching through there because we did not parent this mesh correctly. But yeah, this is this, and then we have our role-playing game over here. And we do have to work a little bit on code as well, because we did make a code over here. We did make a code for selecting any entry and then valid options, defaults. This looks quite repetitive. Everything here could be another function probably. But where the heck is even why we're still holding the controller? This makes no sense. Nonsense. Let's also move our windows about a little bit, just because. And so where is my thingy that goes through this stuff? Was it here? Was it there? Was it in the character? No, it must be here in the select. Because we don't want... Actually, but the choices function probably... gets called too much if we were to guess. Because it also gets called here. And there it shouldn't be. It shouldn't get called because that would break then here this all. Right now it looks fine, but if you... no, it breaks. Oh, wait a minute. Is it every time? Does it break like this already? Yep. It breaks like that already. Interesting. So we have to go over this code and look for the inconsistencies there. But we cannot even find the code, right? Where was this? Where was this? It wasn't here. Wasn't there. In the God object script, no. But what is really exciting actually is the is the other one where you can control the character, right? But yeah, let's work on everything at the same time. And here we have to also get the teeth and the eyes parented correctly and all that jazz. Kind of want to look at the code first, I think. It's in the drop-down proper, of course. We found it. Good. This is our code for our own drop-down menu, which is which comes with its own animations and its own opening and closing. And all of this, we don't like this at all. Because it's really bad. It's really bad code. First of all, what we could do is we could run through the thing and then get what we need and then simply put it in a variable and then work with that. So we don't have to break the loop. That would already save us this whole bunch. That whole paragraph there. Just spit out two variables and then work with the variables. For example, then of course here is the choosing part, and if we choose something from the drop-down menu, it is weird. It's so weird, but I think it might be the right idea to put everything in its own function. We really don't like doing this, but somebody was very persuasive on YouTube. Somebody was very, very persuasive. So when do you put something in its own function? If you have n repetitions, right? So if you have 3 repetitions, yeah, sure, you go. What if you have 2 repetitions? Yeah, then you write your own function, right? Because you don't want to have the redundancy or whatever. What if you have only one? That is the correct answer. You have one thing, you put it in a function. So they were a big function fan. And they were talking about C++. And I don't know if it's called function here and method there, the other way around, but I think it's interchangeable. We're very, very new to the concept of coding, if we're being honest. Really not that great a coder. But we did write all this code and it works, so there's that. You have seen how it works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. No. It works well enough. But yeah, so if we pick erase out, maybe we should clean up this code first and then look at what is happening. This is bonus points. If the element is not human when erase is picked out. Is this even working? I think it should be. Pick out a clone, we don't have bonus points. Pick out a human, we have bonus points. So that much is working. Yeah, but we still haven't put it in a function. I might not even do it. If the game object is the picked choice clicked on, this is what the button, what the Unity button does for us. Why do we have this even? Don't know. Thing is, if you use the Unity button here, then it's easier to navigate it with the. Can we have the scene view? Oh, great! It's easier to navigate, but clearly. We visualize and nothing is working. We visualize the navigation and doesn't visualize anything. Oh, there is a visualization here. It's just hard to see. Wow! So we can navigate here using our gamepad if we abuse the button script from the Unity, and that's part of the reason we want to do I want to use the Unity button. We'll see if it's good enough. Or if we in the end up not using it at all. We will see. But I don't need to visualize now. Have we put the visualization on? Somewhere else? No. Good, so this works. Anyway, entry. Drop down is opened. If it's the picked choice. Else, if it's not the picked choice. Let's do something just for fun. public. It's not going to return anything void. And we say drop pick. Now we say pick drop. Pick drop. Let's do pick from drop. Yeah, that sounds nice. Pick from drop, and it's going to take a game object. Copy. Game object. Right. Good. And then we do this and that. Dropdown is closed by choosing something from the list. The dropdown is closed, picked from drop. And this is all in the dropdown proper, so we're fine. The clicked on is getting called from there. And if the pick choice is that, right? Otherwise, pick choice equals the game object. So what we could do, what have we done here? This is that's our method, pick from drop. Good. It takes a game object. So let's put it in. Yeah, this is just more code not doing anything, but we do this for a reason, I promise. We do this so the clicked on is smaller and this one is bigger. We do this because we want readability. That's the reason. Readability. That means we also don't need all this there. In fact, I think this is now crazy. But I think if you put this over there like this, right? Then nothing should have changed, which is what we want. It's a bit rough. Pick from drop, a game object. Good, the pick choices go. We do the same thing again. And clicked on, we can kill many things here. We can kill whole everything's here. Ooh, what is this trick? Did not know. What are we doing? Shift deletes the whole thing. We're learning how to use this apparently. Good. Right, and this is that, and right, else. Dropdown is opened by clicking on the active choice. Done is closed by picking an entry, picking an item from dropdown. Is closed? No, it's closed. Item from dropdown, pick from drop. Dropdown is closed. Dropdown is opened. Alright, so this is readable now. And before it wasn't. Now, our function fan, we forgot their name, would probably put this also in a function. But let's not go overboard here. First of all, we're going to see if something changed. Nothing should have changed here. Nothing should have changed. But 153, we miss a semicolon. Huh? Huh? What's the problem? Syntax error, a comma is expected. Oh, we're dumb. Alright. Because we're using this method, we don't need to declare what kind of variable we're putting in, because the method has declared the variable that it wants. Very, very straightforward. But like I said, we don't really know how to code. This is all make-believe. I mean, it looks good. It looks good. Wonderful. It's kind of what we're doing when we're playing our video games, right? Just looking for a quick result, making life hard for ourselves, overcome obstacles, and then feel good about ourselves because we did this, which is really hard to do here on the StarCraft. Oh, thank goodness we don't have it open, otherwise we would be playing now. Maybe we should do one. Should we do one? Let's have one. Let's have one StarCraft. One procrastinating StarCraft match. We earned it. We did write some code that didn't do anything. For 16 minutes. 16 minutes coding. And 16 minutes StarCraft. Is that an idea? That's a terrible idea. We wanted to find the bug there. Man, oh man. Just one game of StarCraft. The dog will approve, I promise. Good, rank 22 was really bad here as well. But let's see. What should we do? Should we do a proxy robo? That's the best build, right? It's the absolute best build. Proxy robo for Protoss is wonderful. Is really good. No, I'm just kidding. Everybody saw the video from our favorite guy Harstem. And click, clack, and boom, let's gonna run. And we're going to do what Euthermal told us to do. Oh, it's one of those. We love those. We love those. These are amazing. These are great. These guys. Oh my goodness. Do we have the chrono boost? No, I don't think we did. Send this guy out. It's 20 seconds. You're on the 4. You're on the 1. Get this guy on the 3. Go over there. Make a proxy robo. Just kidding. Oh man, we forgot it. Got a probe. And we're gonna do all 13. That's what we learned from Harstem. We're gonna be a little bit late here, but what can we do? It's terrible. Let's go there. Actually, we learned this from Mana. That you rather be late and then have good economy immediately then. Oh, what the heck we're getting? Oh dear. Oh dear me. Alright. So that means we have to build a forge. Can we build a... can I build a forge here? Oops, he's coming. He's coming with everything. Cancel. Quit the cannon rush. 2-gate rush ourselves. Build the stuff back home. Because he's going to come with a bunch of marines. We have to find the marines as well. Our zealots will be enough here. This is done. We built the forge. Get more workers going. And then we should have enough money maybe. For everything. This is step 4. Give me a zeal. Good. is a bit problematic now. But the forge is soon done. And then we just build cannons around the place and be safe. That is the plan. Forge is done. First cannon goes down. He's gonna come from here. Good. And we bring our zealots in. Another zealot. Let's see how it goes. Just... oh, he does something in the end. Well, that's good for him. He should be doing something. Not that it matters much. So where is his marines? Don't know. Should we do another cannon over here? I don't know. Actually, yeah, he found us. Actually, oh, there's a marine, huh? Good. That's cool. That's very cool. There's another marine. The zealot is getting wrecked. But these are not. Good. Right, we fight this. We have 4 guys. 4 guys is a reasonable battle here. His economy is in shambles, Baba Bambles. Good. Get this going. Get that going. Get another gateway going. Get a hardcore going. Get another pylon going. Go there. Get 2 guys. Good. Yeah, kill everything. Kill everything. Dun, 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 dun. Oops, not so many. 1 is enough. Murdered him. Good. Do we have enough? Dun, 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 dun. We're getting some gas now, which is good news. Let's get more gas. Wondering. Oh, he flies away. Fly me, fly me, fly me to the moon. There's a song. We cancel these guys. They're no longer necessary. Glory. That was another marine there. All right, back to coding. This was fun, but let's do something. Something reasonable here. Oh man, minimize. We don't want this. All right. So what is good? The proxy robo worked. No, enough with this. Let's look at the code. How about that? Good. We had a different idea for this. We're just going to put this in a variable here, and this would be a game object. So for each default entry in the races dropdown, right, we find out what it is and we return it. Good. A race is picked out. Not necessarily though. Boom, bam. How do we find out if a race actually is picked out? It should say in the drop down. What kind of drop down? Let's look at the drop downs. Drop down container race. And it's going to say active items. It's going to say visible at start. So here we don't have an identifier and we don't necessarily want to bog down our code with all the stuff. Isn't there a better way? Race is picked out, you say. And this should be its own function, of course. If element heritage is picked up, if element, yeah, just I just have some sort of switch statement. And we don't do switch statements, you just say if. You just say if as many times as it takes. There's no need for a switch statement. I don't know. I don't know what it is for, actually, because just 5 if statements do the same thing. I don't... There's no point. No, but it's good that there's functionality, right? It's just wasted bits in every byte. But I don't know. Good, so this is all nice. Do we give the dropdown an enum? Button type. This is for buttons, obviously. This is all the races, just in case. This is here. Ooh, we did some creative work here. Prometheus? That's dumb. Yeah, it goes away. Prometheus. What the heck is this? 8 Limbs, Hell's Village Gate, Urban Facility Space, Enslavement Lab, Warrens, White City, City Rims, Genship, and Settlement. Ooh, nice. This is nice. Character type, Labor, Warrior, Crafter, Scholar, Life Stages. Good. Let's do another enum. We love enums. Enums are great. We love them. Can't stress us enough, and we have to learn how to use them proper as well. So is gonna be a drop-down type. Drop-down type can be any of this. Can be any of this, right? Why is this all? Why are some enums capitalized and some are not? I think because this is all creative work and the other one is more... this is creative work as well. So we should capitalize it. Heritage. Upbringing. Youth. Prime time. But isn't here the issue actually... whatever. Adulthood. Senior years. I was just gonna put it underscore in all. We can reformat in a single line of code, I'm pretty sure. Old age and decrepit. This is our doing. We should not be doing this. Let's use the actual English word decrepit. Good. And then we have drop down types, and this can be lowercase. Race, because it's really just drop down types. Race, class. Oh, class is not good because it's a keyword, isn't it? Character class. Oh, character class. Race, character class, gender, and then a life stage. This is good enough for now. All we need is life stage. I mean, if we do these again, wait, what? If we do these again, heritage, upbringing, youth, prime. This should be a life stage, and that should change. Yeah, we're gonna be fine. We're going to be fantastic. So we do have an enum now, and it's going to compile. Beautiful. What time is it? Time for another round of StarCraft? No. Let's put the enum in the drop down.
we want to know which kind of drop down this is. So what we're going to do is we're going to give this a public. I know we didn't want to bog this down with code, but hey, let's just write a million lines of code just for fun. And it is actually really just for fun, because those will never amount to nothing here. Good. Public enum. Does it work like this? Who knows? We certainly don't. And this is going to be the drop down type. Public enum drop down type, and we're going to call this enum. Wait. That's not how you initiate an enum. Is it? Let's see how we've done it before. Enumerator. Oh, this is old searches we did. Oh, we haven't done this in this project yet. That's an issue. Want to look at some example code, and we still haven't done this here. Unity enum. How they work and how to use them. Game dev beginner. Give me example code now. Public direction. See, we don't need the enum. We don't need it. We just don't need it. So it's just going to be a public drop down type. Drop down type. Oh, this is terrible, but this is how everybody does it. So we're going to do this. But it's very confusing. Very, very confusing. We hate it. We actually hate it. But we're doing it. Maybe we can live with it. Let's try and live with it. If we cannot live with it, then we're going to change it. Race. Drop-down container race is drop-down type race. Drop-down container gender is drop-down type and gender. Or should we have just read the name? Would that have been easier? Because here we have just another thing. And if we hover over the container, then nothing, right? Because we still have this tooltip thing. If we hover over something, it's going to read out the name. This is probably a very, very bad thing. Heritage. Life stage 1. This is going to be a mess. An absolute mess this is going to be. Gender, race, what else do we have? What's going on with the dog? Dog is fine. Race, character class, gender, and life stage. Gender, race, life stage, character class. Good, we could have just clicked and seen it. And then we have many more. Yep, this is just not how we operate. It's just not how we operate. Let's get rid of it. It's a bad idea. I'm not going to do it. Where is it? Where is it? In the drop-down derp? Was a terrible idea. Horrible. We can easily find out which drop-down we are. We can easily find out about it. Just check the string. It's no big deal. The computer can compute, especially since it's going to compute once every full moon. This is not an issue. This is a non-issue. Good. So where are we? Drop down proper. A race is picked out. How do you know a race is picked out? Simple. If transform name That's how it goes, right? Equal drop down container. Oops. Erase. Dun-dun. This feels like repetitive. Do you not just listen to this? Oh, it's 2 songs in one. We did want to check out if we have too many lists, too many items in the list here of our Winamp, of the gaming music we're listening to. Let's go to the next one, see if it's good. No, it's not good. Let's get rid of it and save the list. Good, streaming and yes. This is so good. This is Minecraft music, by the way. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, very nice. So if the transform name is a dropdown container race, then you execute all this code. And not if it's not. Why? Yeah. Whoop. Easy. Heritage is picked out. Good. So this is then for these things that we're going to look at another time. Good. BA, settler, immigrant. Oh yeah, it's going to change the bonus points text. And this is only for humans. Because right now, nothing should change much here. Because right now, if we're picking out a robot, they can be an immigrant. Whoop! And then they get 5 points. That's not correct. Good. But yeah, we're gonna look at it a little bit later. This is so much work. This is so much work. Dum, bum, bum, bum. Dum, 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 dum. If the default entry, we're going through the default entries, and if the default entry is a heritage, here would be another usage for the enum. But like we said, we have no problem just checking the parent name. No big deal. Boom, bottom. Good. And then we're going to pop this out. And if it's a gender, we're going to pop out the gender. And we can do this for all kinds of things. If we later change the race. Because if we later level up the character and it becomes a vampire, for example, then the race will change. We will have to. You can change the race if you want, and you change it to vampire, and then all these things are going to change. So yeah, the pictures are like defaults. Pictures are for the remove entry. What does this do? Because we're picking something out, we're actually replacing it, right? But why would we replace this if we're not picking out a gender? And that's also what is breaking here a lot of stuff. There's a bit of a logic error there. The dog is snoring away. That's a huge logic error. So now we must find out what exactly. Oh, this is not for here. This is for heritage, and this is for gender. Good. No big deal. Copy. Write a method. That's what the guy on the YouTube taught us. The YouTube teacher taught us this. Good. Which, by the way, is the best. These YouTube teachers are so superior to the regular teachers. Sorry to say. But not sorry. This is good. This is not to say we didn't have any good teachers. But you see, teachers are people like everybody else. Most of them are average. Right? But on the YouTube, only the good ones get the money. This is alright. Except we want the heritage, of course. Heritage is picked out. And we're just gonna cut this. And put it there. If transform. Whoop. Terrible, by the way. Terrible redundant code. But in the end, this is gonna make it to the final version, we think. Not because we're going to quit working on this soon. We are probably going to quit working on this before it finishes, but not for a while yet. We're going to write a lot of code before we get overwhelmed. Pretty sure. So what is this then? Did a bonus points? If transform name equal heritage, right? And pick choice on the race. Oh, why do we find this out? Can we just access the current character? Maybe. Let's access the God script. Current character. Race equal human. And is this lowercase or uppercase or lowercase? It's uppercase. And then we don't actually know if there's a human. Byte, it's bytes. This should be code, right? This is a byte. This is a new byte. This is a byte array. Which means the race could be a byte. Race could be a byte, which should be the same as this here. The same as the enum race, because I'm pretty sure you can ask the enum if you're number 3 and then it's 0, 1, 2, 3, then it's a robot. You can ask the enum by index. You can ask the enum by index. That's not English. That's English words, but it's neither a programming language nor a proper conversational language. But almost, right? And you probably know what we're saying here. Absolutely. Anybody who watches this or listens to it while sleepy time, probably knows exactly what we're talking about. So, the character is going to have another byte. This is base attributes. Good. Then another public byte, which is weird. This is how it's another public byte of race. That's it. That's all we need. If race pop base attributes. So as soon as we populate these base attributes, we are also going to make the race. Right? Race equals 0 if race clone race equal, now we have to look on the cheat sheet, which is fair. 0 1 2. Why is the, what the heck is this enum? So is the robot not on spot too? Let's find out. What are we compiling here? Where are my races? Because we have them in order. Human, clone, robot, demon, alien, vampire, savant, synthetic, fiend, cosmic horror. So we're fine here. But I kind of want to do it differently in the enum. Wonder if we can move these around and still be fine. I think our code is making that concession to us. And we're gonna say, yeah, we're fine. Nope, code is not saying we're fine. But, well, that's okay. That's okay. Human, clone, robot, demon, alien, vampire, undead animal monster. No, not undead animal monster. Vampire, savant, that's the clone immortal. Synthetic, that's the robot immortal. Fiend, that's the demon immortal. And of course the cosmic horror. Cosmic horror, which is the alien immortal. Sounds like fun. Good. Where were we? In the dropdown? If God's current race equal 0. Good, which reminds us as well. Race human, clone race 1. What else? Robot. Race 2. And then we could think of some new values here. There is something to say about default values that are samey with the clone and the robot, but with the vampire and the alien not. That's the thing. So these default values should be dependent on other things. Like, of course, the heritage. We're going to have... what's a demon heritage? Settler. Settler demon. How do you make a new demon? A new fresh demon. Maybe same as human? It's almost same as human. And very early on possessed human. And then a wild demon. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds promising. Copy. Robot is now... Yep, before demon. Demon. Demon gets the same as human for the time being, just to make this work. And then the invader alien. They can be samey as well. And they can be instantly played. How about that? So they instantly get everything. Yep, after 5 years they're good. Actually, that's not instant, is it? So you have to pick out something. No. The button will go away and you can just click begin adventuring. And you're gonna get a badass alien to play with immediately. Of course, all we have is this naked and plasticky woman. Haven't done anything else, but we're on it. We really have a great idea for an alien, and we also have a dragon, but that's a travel power, because the maps are gonna be huge, right? That's what we're trying to do. Some survival stuff that is exciting every time. Every time you fire it up. Good. Unlike the StarCraft, which how far are you now? We're 53 minutes. Oh, it's StarCraft time again, right? Another StarCraft session? Maybe when we fixed our code. How about that? Good, so where were we? Alien is race 4. And it's instantly playable, so as a super strong. Let's give it a 20. Let's make it really destroy everything. Dexterity also super high, 15. Vitality super fit, 20. The invader alien. It's gonna have some sort of drawback, I'm sure. Well, it can never become a cosmic horror. That's the drawback there. A reason. It's completely unreasonable. Imagination, it doesn't have any imagination. Awareness is high, because it's so crazy pants. Let's not overdo it here. Let's give it a high vitality. Strength 20. Not sure. Not sure now. Let's make it super high, but not too high. 13 is already high, right? Dexterity is super dexterous. Absolutely, it can climb everywhere with their 4 legs and 4 arms. And then we have awareness, that's for NPCs. give it an 11. Charisma. This is how many followers it can have. Sure, it can have a bunch of followers, why not? Base attributes of the looks. This is gonna look kind of beautiful. Let's give it a 12. This could even be random. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Like we said, this is just for the time being. This can change anytime. Good. Just all this all. So what's the problem? Into string 28. What? Oh. Oh. We have a double in our variable. Race. So this could be... No, this must be picked race. This must be picked race. Good. If picked race equal human, picked race equal clone, picked race equal robot, picked race equal demon, picked race equal alien. So there's that. What else is wrong? Nothing. We can play StarCraft. I kind of want to look into the code a little bit more. But we haven't drank anything in an hour. That's not good. Every hour drinking pause, a drinking break, and I'm going to talk to you in 5 minutes.
Alright, we're drinking some tap water and continue the code. Yo, doggy is looking. Doggy is looking. Ugh. Good. Also, what we want to do here is, when a heritage is picked out, where's the dog? The dog is coming? Doggy is coming. Doggy is coming. She's drinking, you can see. She was drinking. She was drinking. Ooh, where are you going? Where are you going? Ooh, here's a good dog. Oh, it's a good dog. It's a good dog. And so this is when we pick out a heritage. We replace the heritage default. And we should do the same thing for the gender. That's what we were working on. If transformed into different race, copy. If transformed into heritage, good. Why not? Why are you doing so much here? Oh, if element is... Huh. Because this is if there is a new default. For this, then this changes as well. Complicated stuff. Heritage is picked out. We have to put this all under new method. Function, I mean. So far so good, and we can do this last maybe. Just because. And these bonus points, this could all be something to run. Yes. Oh, we have put it in a dirt bridge. If guys can equals that. Good. Then we replace the default. And then we're done in theory. Then we only have to work on the points, on the bonus points. That's a heritage, that's a race. Let's do the gender next. Copy. Paste. And gender is picked out. Good, and heritage gender. Why is this in here? If it is false, this doesn't need to be here. I don't think.
Alright, so, in theory, you pick out a gender, you replace the default. Easy peasy. Also, why the heck do you have so many tabs here? Indentions. If. Is this good enough? Click down to them. For each, this also. No, this looks good. Heritage is picked out, gender is picked out. Don't know if this works now. Also, it doesn't remove the bug we had there. Let's first see if it compiles even. Of course it does not. Public is not valid. 153. Public's nowhere. Public void clicked on, huh? Da, da, da. I know we're missing a bracket, but pick from? Huh? We have no close bracket anywhere? Well, we don't have it, so we put it in. Simple. Good. What is code compiles? What the heck? Crazy pants. Good. So we pick out a clone. We say you're a settler. So now if you pick out a demon, it's going to be a settler as well. But it's going to be a settler anyway. No. Pick out a human and we say you're a demigrant. But then we go back to clone and there should be a settler, even though they were Warrens first. Let's go back to Warrens, we change our mind. Robot, demigrant, clone Warrens, they remembered it. But I also want a female BA agent as a human. But what if I want to be a robot? No, I want the human female BA agent. It works! It works! Time for StarCraft. Nice. So did remember our previous choices, and that's some luxury. That's some slick coding, and we do like that. So the user can very comfortably create their character. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. And as a reward, we're gonna treat ourselves to a round of StarCraft, which is not the greatest reward because it's quite punishing at times, but we'll see. Good. How did we win the last match? How did we win this? It was a Protoss and we had two... Oh, no. They were not building anything and we ran in with two Zealots. And we thought they had a proxy barracks and we never checked. I think they were just super duper late. Good, but this is a Protoss. And we're gonna have 13 probes and a proxy something. 3, 2, 1, go. Where's the ramp? Don't know. Up, of course. Corner boost at 35. Good. So what a good player does is send a second probe. Question is, can we? And will we? We will. Let's try this. Just to annoy them. And since we're gonna have 13 probes anyhow, it's no problem. Even though now we're almost there, right? Let's stick with 12 for a brief moment because I want to know. No, I don't want to know. It's fine. Oh yeah, that's what we thought. Hey, he's attacking us immediately. How dare you? This was a bad spot for Pilot 100%. Super bad spot. Good, and he's pulling everything. That's exactly why this was a bad spot. We should build one back home. This will cost them. This will cost them time. Which is good. Oh, we meant to cancel. Good, but this will cost them so much time that it does not even matter. Good. And we can even cancel this. He's chasing 2 probes with 1,000 probes. Good. Can we box in actually a cannon or something? I don't know. So we're gonna build a forge immediately since they gave up, and a gate here. And this is looking good. We have many people. Good. Many people. And now we can build... We can even build a cannon here. This is amazing. It's not finished. And we can build a gate here. Let's do it. Why build it there? Why not? That's fine. Good. 2 probes for some reason. Yeah, this was very bad. Build a cannon here. Not enough minerals. Cancel this one. Oh, he can reach this. Oh, that's not cool. That's very bad. How the heck could he reach this? That's just weird. We can do more here. Can I build anything else? That's fine. Can build a zealot. Oh, he's really destroying this pylon, huh? We don't need that pylon. Oh, don't destroy my probes. They have done nothing to you. Good, the cannon is in. He cannot fight this. This is not a good idea. So much stuff. Let's expand. No, don't embrace the glory of battle here. You crazy pants. Good, and these probes ran away too soon. And you go here, and you go there. Build me another pylon. Go back mining. Give me actually a core. And make me this. This is on the 4. This is on the 4. Can I build these other guys just yet? Not enough minerals. We have people here. This guy builds a cannon. Here. And then a pylon right next to it. Good. A crazy gas for sure. Crazy gas for sure. 1616. 111. Crazy gas for sure we said, and then we didn't do it. Let's do it though. Good. You can build me a robo. These guys are great. You can build me a toilet. I'm here. Cold is the void, huh? If they have void rays, we're gonna look stupid again. This is our army. It's not much, but it's something. And they have a battery. Wow, amazing. No. We don't have a battery. That's very bad. That is extremely dumb. Oh, I think they won. I have to play again. Just one more time. What happened? happened? I have no idea. I have no idea. We didn't have a real good cannon there. No, not one of those. Good. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Crazy. Why are we getting here? This is not nice. I just want to play the game, man. I don't want to talk. I don't want to see your text there. I don't want to see random 4 letters. I just want to play. Don't understand how people are so bad-mannered in this game. It's terrible. It's not a meme, by the way. It is bad-mannered if you type something random like GLHF. It is bad-mannered. Objectively. It might be a tradition or something, but a bad-mannered tradition is a tradition nonetheless. Good. 11. We have a 13. We find this. A 13. Oh, this is possibly a bad spot. But it's a free win, I think, because I didn't scout this. And we did get to build our pylons. Our gates. That's good, you can go home. They're scouting here, they see we have nothing. They see we build a pylon. And we are going to kill their pylon. They did nothing. Thought they would make a pylon. Maybe they will. Let's use this probe to scout. Good. Get some more. Do we get away with more? Oh, we definitely built one zealot, huh? 15, 16. Get away with a core, get away with this. No, we don't actually. Yeah, not enough minerals. But we left ourselves a Corona boost. So that's alright. Good. And now we can fight. Uh-huh. 2 gates. That defends it. That defends it. That does defend it. Alright. This way. Here's a second cell. Good, we rotate as much as we can. And we lose 1 zealot. This is winnable. I don't think it is, especially since we're not doing anything in from behind. Could try the cannon. Cannon go over there. We have 4 people now. They're gonna have a battery now. Construct additional pylons as well. Yeah, this is defended. This is a waste of time. They blind countered us. I mean, 2 gates is an easy blind counter, but yeah. Good. 1 more. Then back to something that's more fun, like coding. Alright, it is a Terran. Will it be 3 losses in a row, which is devastating. Absolutely devastating. This is soul crushing. I hate this game so much. It's the hardest game because it's not a game, it's a sport. And that's why we're playing it. Just trying to compete here for no good reason. Good. Another guy. 20 seconds. Another guy. You're on the 4. 3 we did not do, of course. Good. Keep it at 12. The old plan is still the best plan. They're not here. We hide this pylon back there, and then we go. What do they have? Oh, they're very late. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Oh, he's sending him out? What? Oh, now he sees what we're up to. Whoops. Alright. Let's run away here. Dude, you're supposed to attack the other guy. Can we get our shields up? Oh, he's running away. Good. Can we build a cannon here somewhere? Maybe. Let's build a fudge. And then keep harassing. Oh, he's bringing everybody to kill that pylon. He's bringing everybody to bring the... Oh, that is enough time for us. To build some... What is this, by the way? Oh, you're really killing that cannon, aren't you? You are really killing that cannon. Amazing. Pylon. Good. It's no big deal. Justice for all. Oh no, the Xana dies. No. Good. And there is a marine. Good. That's alright. Because we can go in. And we like to go in. And this is on the 4. Good. Oh no, that's wrong. Just go in. Oh no, don't kill this pylon. That's not good. 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 Excellent. Schmexcellent. He's going to kill this. He's not going to kill this. He's going to die himself. To kill this frickin' thing there. He's pulling all dudes again. And we're not building probes in from behind, which we should actually do. But now we have a cannon here. That's looking alright. This is looking alright. Wonderful, and out of this freaking garbage game. Man, oh man, oh man. Alright, enough StarCraft for today. 100% sick of it. Alright. Let's see. This is all working nicely, correct? Good. What if we were to pick out an alien class? Base attributes? And then the demon should have the same base attributes as a human. Good, just without points. Beautiful. Can we be a female? A female demon, please. Actually, I changed my mind. I want to be an alien. No, wait. I want to be a... What? Alien? Yes, I want to be a demon. Female. Good. It remembered. Hey! I think this is good. We don't find any glaring things. But what if we click this many times? Because then we had an error. But now that we cleaned up the code, I think we're fine. Yeah, we cleaned up the code quite well. And the game is working. Age up. We don't like age up. We don't like age up. We like advance or something. And we don't like the destroy unload, but we can't get rid of it. This is the debug updater Unity is so horrible. So in the way. But it's just there, it doesn't do anything. It's annoying is what it is. Cache sheet age where's the age up? Button next live stage. There we go. That's it shouldn't say age up, it should say next. No. So what if it would say advance? Oh, is it actually? Ooh, how did we do this? That's nice. Advance sounds good. Age up doesn't sound good. Begin adventuring sounds amazing, by the way. Good. I think we're done for today. We're gonna go sleepy time. We're gonna do like the dog. Just lay on our side and poof away. Poof poof. Sleepy time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for chiming in. Don't forget the 5 archives. Where more of this stuff is happening. All the VODs are going there. Most of them. And I'm gonna see you next time. Until then, have a good day and a good night.